is simply one of the most beautiful shapes ever crafted. I mean, it's kind of Mozart in 3D, isn't it, really?
Waxing lyrical about this Aston Martin DB6 is owner and full-on Aston enthusiast Aidan Murcutt.
This particular example is a DB6 Mark II. Only 170, something like that, Mark IIs were made for the UK market. This car is an extraordinary example because it is an unrestored example, but when you look at it, you would never know. It is absolutely beautiful. If you come and take a peek inside, the interior, well, I just think is magical. I truly do. Right, there we go.
I mean, driving down the road, a beautiful sound, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
Can't beat it.
Absolutely. And the extraordinary thing is, because this is an unrestored example, I'm actually not scared to use it. I prefer not to be out in the rain, but if it rains, it rains. But here we go.
Look at that.
One fat lump.
This is unrestored?
Yes. People, I suppose, care enough for these things to make sure that they will survive in fabulous condition.
And you've been very, very proud to own it.
Yeah, absolutely. It would be a lie to say I don't feel good driving up the road in it, because I do feel good. Every time I go out, I'm driving a victory lap. And the sound, have you listened to a car going past?
The DB6 is the jewel in Aidan's collection, but he's also partial to the odd NG.
They're pretty. They really are. They are so, so lovely. And they're very affordable, very manageable. If you're looking for a cheap classic car, this is the one to buy. This is not like a modern car. It's not an iPad with a wheel at each corner, you know. This is what I like to call an analog car. Whenever I go out in this one, and we do go out in them, whenever I go out in this, I feel I'm in a Miss Marple film. This is a sleek, neat car. There's no door handles on the MGA.
So you athletically get in by...
No, you've got a string that you have to pull on the inside. Although the problem with that is, if it's raining and the window's up and the roof is on, it's a bit of a challenge to actually open the doors.
Aidan's already got plans for the cash from the sale. He's giving it all to the charitable causes he supports.
We can invest heavily in educational projects. We run a school in India, which is a charitable school. We also have a big interest in a new school in Birmingham. And as I was looking at this, I thought it's a beautiful car, but it's a thing. And I'm turning this thing, and indeed some of the other things here, we are going to be turning that into people, change lives. I don't just want somebody to stick it in a museum. But how much better is it to actually experience the past by driving it? Yeah, you could stick it in a garage, disconnect the battery and say, I'll come back in 15 years. But where's the fun in that? Now, this is a car I'm hoping somebody will love it for what it is and use it because of what it is.
Derek's been grinding out the motorway miles for hours. Destination? Bromsgrove.
Sorry, it's been late.
Oh, my...
Traffic's horrendous.
Where Aidan Murcutt's DB6 is waiting to take its place on the trailer.
Nice, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Mm. Yeah, nice car. Lovely colour.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Was it originally that colour?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it was. I actually had a bloke come and look at this. He said, I'd strip this back and repaint it.
No, idiots.
I thought you were an idiot.
Idiots, yeah. Total idiots, yeah.
Total idiot.
No, it's better than mine, cosmetically better than mine. Has it been abroad?
It has. You've got it in one. I think it's Italy that wants those things, isn't it? The indicator on the side. And I think Italy is the only country that require it. So that's a slight adaptation.
Hang on, sorry, Derek, you've turned up, you've drunk the tea, you've eaten the biscuits, you're having a donut. What about the car?
Don't bother about a car.
Right, okay.
Come up. Yeah, steady away. That'll do you. There. Perfect. Safest place for it up here. Righto, mate, you're safe there now. We'll not go anywhere. Right, I'll pop these away, put my ramps away, and we're nearly there then.
Are you having DB6 envy?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Envy? Yeah, well, you always do, don't you, really? I mean, always envy anyone, A, that's got a DB6, and B, someone's just driving it. I never get time to drive mine, do I? It sits there all the bloody time.
Coming into land at the Pickering HQ, the Aston Martin DB6.
Nice car, that. Yeah, she's all right. Ready?
Guide in, won't you?
Yeah, you're all right.
Ain't many lads driven a DB6 at 17, is there?
Yeah, look something else, don't they?
Gearbox is a bit stiff, a bit notchy. It's not bad, it's okay, it's all right. But yeah, I see why there's such a following for him now.
Before everyone shouts James Bond's car, Paul's got a message.
It was actually a DB5 in the film, but everyone thinks it's a 6. I like to see a bit of wear on a seat and things.
Why is that?
Well, because if you haven't got a bit of wear on a seat, you've got a new seat, haven't you? And then you haven't got an old Aston, have you? You've got a new Aston. Yeah, various bills and invoices here. Look, I'm going to take them all upstairs in a minute. Loads and loads of old MOTs, look. Coach works lovely, wheels are lovely. There we go, look. Great, inchy. Not overdone, just nice. 4-litre, inline, straight 6, lovely. Look at the steering wheel, look. It just says, hold me, doesn't it?
Are we talking real craftsmanship here?
Not really, we're talking thrown together if you think about it, because they're built out of bits, weren't they? Generally speaking, I'm going to get well shot for that, aren't I? Look at the switch for the interior light. Has got... it's a switch off of something, completely random, and it doesn't fit, so they put a bolt in to get your pin to come out and press your switch. It is very agricultural, very primitive, but they work, don't they? Let's be fair, most people who own them are going to be jumping up and down, aren't they? And I'm really sorry for you guys for that, but it is a fact of life. They are largely made up of bits and pieces, and they are one-offs, aren't they?
Let's talk money.
Ooh, vulgar, vulgar. I suspect it's going to do somewhere, my gut, 165, 175. So let's hope it goes off to pastures new, kept like that, and used all summer.
The Aston Martin, the DB6, the Mark II, the rarest one out the lot, as we know. It's the right colour, the right spec, the right year, the right model, everything's dead right about it. The proceeds are going to be used to support a charity. So let's make a start. 150, I've got 150 and 160, 160, 170, 170, 170,000. 5, he said, 175, 180, 180, back with me, 180. Going then, £180,000 is the 5, 185, yes. 185, 190,
Oh,
190. Jill's bid 190.
Right, we're at 190.
5, 190.
Bid 195. Do you want to do 200?
Do you want 200?
Do you want 200?
195 we got.
200.
200. He's a very wise buyer. 200.
So it's our bid at 200,000.
200,000. All done then, £200,000. For that money, 200,000. It don't come up like this every day. Jill's phone. Gonna submit it then, 200,000.
Get your hammer down, Derek. Stop messing about.
200,000 for the first, 200,000 for the second. Third and last time, on Jill's telephone, 200,000. Sold, thank you.
Well done, Greg. Congratulations, you've got yourself an Aston. He's happy. He's very happy.
It's just the quintessential British Aston Martin sports car, particularly the Mark II. The shape of it has always been something that's stood out for me as one of the most beautiful cars.
New owner Greg Michael was so happy he turned up the day after to collect.
Sit in your car.
Thank you.
How about that?
That's amazing.
Yes, she's a beauty. Lovely, isn't it?
It's fantastic.
And it's the appearance and the design and the look of them. There's just nothing like them, is there?
No. It's been a childhood dream. It's been
absolutely.
It's been 45 years waiting since I've been there.
Good luck to you. Good luck to you.
Greg's got a long drive back home, but what's the betting? He enjoys every single mile.